Welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding faculty recruitment of different colleges. So the first college is Institute of Advanced Research, the University for Innovation. They have given notification for faculty vacancies and some non-teaching vacancies also. Faculty position vacancies for three type of professor vacancy. First one professor, second associate professor, and third one assistant professor. The vacancies for these posts are in data science, areas are mathematics, statistics, or computer science and engineering. Second, applied mathematics, virology, immunology, biochemical engineering, bioprocess engineering, industry license or placement officer. Some non-teaching vacancies like senior technician to develop and manage central instrumentation facility, laboratory technician for chemistry, biotechnology and microbiology, part-time year 12th teachers for mathematics and English, and last one part-time counselor for psychologist. Qualification and selection procedure for faculty position as per UGC norms, and after that for every post what you have to do for applying, you have to go to career section of www.iar.ac.in and you have to apply from that. Application must be received by 24th of January 2022. Now next college is Nutan Maharashtra Vidya Prasarak Mandal. In this group there are two colleges. First one Nutan Maharashtra Institute of Engineering and Technology, and second one Nutan College of Engineering and Research. They have requirement for the post professor, associate professor and assistant professor for the departments mechanical engineering, information technology, electronics and telecommunication, computer engineering, artificial intelligence. Qualification required is as per AICTE and Savitribai Phule Pune University and DBA-TU norms. Second, some lab assistant or workshop instructor vacancy also for mechanical lab, computer lab or workshop. Qualification is as per AICTE norms. And some non-teaching posts like admin, junior clerk, HR, network or system, like for office assistant and network administrator. For that qualification required post graduation with 5 years of experience. You have to send your application within 8 days to dean.hr@pcet.org.in. Third is Jaipur National University. They have vacancies for first one director for engineering, law, media and computer science. For that PhD required, having 10 years teaching with reputed 10 years teaching experience with publication in reputed index journals and experience of guiding PhD students. Second one for teaching vacancy like professor, associate professor and assistant professor in departments like computer science and engineering, organic chemistry, law, entomology, horticulture, medical radiography, imaging technology, cardiovascular technology, pharmacy, physics, English, microbiology, bioinformatics, botany, operation theatre technology. Qualification, experience and salary as per UGC and AICTE norms. NET qualified and PhD candidates will be preferred. And next one ERP system implementation type vacancy. For that minimum 5 to 7 year experience in successful operation of university or medical college should be capable to configure solution as per requirement in and at least following modules like pre-admission, admission, academics, administration, examination, hostel and transport management, library management. So what you have to do, share your details with Mukesh Chaplot. This given number is there. And last vacancy is CA and finance officer. For that minimum 3 to 5 years of experience in similar field will be required. So what you have to do, interested candidate should have to apply within 7 days along with detailed CV, recent passport size photograph and self-attested copies of mark sheet and certificate or testimonial at the following address. You have to apply on this address. Next vacancy is ICFI University. ICFI University. This university is in various places of India. In one of them, ICFI University, Tripura. They have requirement for dean, professor, associate professor. For the departments physics, chemistry, mathematics, civil, computer science and engineering, mechanical, electrical and electronics, electronics communication, management, commerce, economics, English, psychology, clinical psychology, education, physical education, yoga, special education, ID, law, paramedical sciences and nursing. Qualification and experience required, it is written that applicants should have PhD in appropriate discipline from reputed university or institution with minimum 8 years of teaching experience with good research publication and project work. Experience in guiding research scholar desirable. So what you have to do, you have to go to career section of iutripura.in and apply on that. Next college is BSB Engineering College. This college is in two places of south side, means it is in Tamil Nadu. First one is Karur and second one Coimbatore. They have requirement for professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the department agricultural engineering, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, chemical, computer science and engineering and information technology. Salary they have given, it will be ranges from 21,600 to 90,000 and other benefits also will be given. This is written about BSB. It is 20-year-old institution with NAC accreditation and ISO certification. Jal Shakti Award given by AICTE, top academic performance and excellent placement record. All eligible courses are accredited by NBA. So what you have to do, you have to send your resume by email to jobs@bsb.ec.com or apply within 10 days to the secretary by post, and you have to put the college address in that. Next college is Asansol Engineering College. It is situated in Asansol, West Bengal. They have requirement for principal, professor, associate professor in the department ECE, EE and CSE. Qualification and experience as per AICTE norms. First principal vacancy, second professor, associate professor and third one TPO required and assistant training and placement officer also required. Base location for Kolkata. Qualification UG PG preferably with engineering background. Experience only candidate with demonstrated ability to place a student and existing relation in the industry should apply. What you have to do, you have to send your resume and testimonial, PAN and Aadhaar card to az.recruitment.kol@gmail.com within 15 days. Next college is Future Education. In that there are also two college, Future Institute of Engineering and Management, Sonarpur, and second one Future Institute of Technology, Garia. The posts required are professor, associate professor and assistant professor for the department CSC IT, CSC data science, CSC AI and machine learning, CSC IoT and cyber security with blockchain technology, and for MCA and BCA. You have to send your resume at careers@teamfuture.in. Next college is Erode Sen Gunthar Engineering College. They have requirement for HOD, professor, associate professor and assistant professor in the department agriculture, robotics and automation, IT, CSC, CSD, artificial intelligence and data science, civil, mechanical, biomedical, electrical electronics, ECE, E&I, chemical, maths, physics, chemistry, English, industrial safety, MBA, placement trainer. Some non-teaching vacancy like industry director or marketing executive, ESEC Academy, community FM radio station. What are these? Estate office campus manager and account manager. PhD with supervisor recognition, research funding experience is highly preferable. Industry experience preferred. Knowledge in NAC and NBA is mandatory. Pay scale is not a constant for highly qualified and experienced candidate. You can also apply through online to HTTP. Means you have to go to college website and you can apply from that. or you can send your CV to jobs@escc.ac.in within 10 days, or you can send hard copy also to principal ESCC Perendarai Road. Next is Srinivas Institute of Technology and Management Studies. It is NBA accredited college. They have recruitment for principal, qualification and experience as per ICT norms. So you have to mail your resume to chairman@sitams.org on or before 30 January. Shortlisted candidate will be called for interaction. So that's all about today's update. What you have to do, you have to subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time, and share it with your friends, because all are important information. So if anyone have requirement of teaching jobs, so you can share with them. Thank you, have a nice day.